Hi, it's Tim McCain here, Donnelly Ford guy. And have you seen the all-new Ranger yet? Well, you got to come and check these out. When they come back 2019, super popular. People love them. But man, they have really upped the ante with the looks of these. Come over and check this vehicle out. Really like what they've done to this vehicle, man. They've really upped the toughness factor. Look how cool that front is now. A lot more bold. New style. This happens to be a Lariat with the Sport Appearance package. It's got the off-road package. Some nice all-terrain Wrangler tires on there. Really like what they've done to the inside. Open this up. The stylish, nice leather seats in this Lariat. Power seat. Even like the vent design. Those are cool looking. Nice new big screen in there. New display. New shifter. Basically just all new. We'll walk around to the back. You can see all the bed size, the tailgate, everything. It's just a nice new look. Hey, if you haven't seen one of these new Rangers, come and check one out at Donnelly Ford today.